Hi, today we're here with Janice Gilbert with Axis Mechanical Group at the PMEIS show at the Pasadena Convention Center. And Janice, you represent Axis Mechanical Group?
Yes, sir.
All right, and tell us, how long have you guys been in business?
We've been in business a little over 3 years now.
Okay, great. And what is your specialty in the industrial marketplace?
We are a millwright company. We can handle any turbines, pumps, compressors, gearboxes. We do repair, install, maintenance, and overhaul in the field.
Okay. Oh, so you're a field
services.
Field services.
Yes,
okay.
sir.
And didn't you guys have a new building? Do you have some new facility?
We have a brand new facility. It's 12,000 square feet right off the Beltway here, local. Yes, sir.
All right. And what you do work inside there as well?
We do a little bit of field machining, but mostly it's field services is our specialty.
Okay, great. And today you're at the PMA show. Who are some of the people that you're trying to connect with today?
You know, we welcome connecting with anyone here, but the audience here is that would be good for us is any kind of reliability equipment engineers and maintenance engineers and managers, maintenance managers.
And if somebody were to need your services, do you have a website?
Yes, sir.
What's your address?
It's axismechanicalgroup.com, AXISMECHGRP.com.
Okay. And is there anybody in particular that we should the engineer should reach out to, like your boss, or who should we talk to, or how do we connect?
They could certainly look me up, and I will steer them in the right direction.
Okay, good. All right.
Thank you.
Well, thanks for being here and being part of the Big Alliance and being part of the Big Family. We really appreciate it.
Thank you so much. We appreciate what you guys do for us.
Oh, great. Thank you.
Thank you.